Okay, so we redid the ponds today. They're still all dirty and kicked up. This is the one pond. This is a 125-gallon prefab plastic pond. Currently houses 6 fish. When I started it, there was 7 fish. And it's been 2 seasons now. This is its 3rd season. And I still have all the fish but one, and a bird got that one when I first got it. This is the little itty bitty pond right off the sunroom. There's 3 koi and 3 goldfish. We have a 750-gallon pond, which looks hideous right now because it kicked up a lot of sand when we were redoing the pond or the waterfall today. See, I just did some little itty bitty stones traveling down. Still have to pack it out at the bottom so the rocks don't just fall in. And I still have to bury the wires. Another weekend. My wife planted her rose bush. Once the vegetation grows in and everything, look a lot better. The vines come over the fence back there, cover that all up.